everyone, welcome to Tuesday, April, what is it, the 7th today. I am going to explain what you're going to be doing over the next 2 days for robotics. We're going to use a site called OzoBlockly, and we're going to play a little game called Shape Tracer. So if you go into your modules, and then under Tuesday and Wednesday, April 7th and 8th, you will see a link called Shape Tracer. And if you click on that link, it will say Open Shape Tracer in a new window, which you will click on, and it'll bring you to this screen. Now, if you see some stuff in here, down in the corner over here, there's a little button, that's the settings button. Go ahead and click that and reset the game, just to make sure that you're starting from scratch. Okay, now in order to play the game, if we were actually in class, like I would love to be, we would use Ozobots and we would do this in real life with the robot. But since we don't have the Ozobots, we can still do this without. So the first thing I notice on level 1 is that the line is green. So light effects is how you set the light color. So I'm going to grab a block, and this is called coding, and it's called block coding. I'm going to grab a block and I'm going to change the light color to green because that's what color I want it to go in. Then we're going to take a movement block. And movement, in this case, we can move forward, we can move backward, you can pick how many steps forward and your speed. Now I know that my robot needs to move forward. Let's say I think it's about 6 steps. And I can then click on this run button. And you'll see that I didn't quite make it. So I know I need to go further. I'm going to go 9 steps and see if I make it to the end then. So I reset and run again. I still did not make it. Really, I need to go 10 steps. So I'm going to reset and run that program one more time. And then you get the fun music if you have your volume on. So I did successfully complete that level. Now it does say to load your program to an Ozobot, which we would totally do if we were in class, but we're not. So we're going to skip the load to the Ozobot part and just go to the next level. And you'll see that every level it changes a little bit. Okay. Now your job is to complete all 10 levels in the Shape Tracer game. And you'll see that every time you complete a level, you'll get either a gold or a white Ozobot on the top. Gold means that you have completed it in the least amount of blocks as possible. If you get a white one, it just means that you've used more blocks than needed. You can redo it to try to get a gold. You don't have to. When you finish all 10 levels, I need you to show me that you finished that. So the question is, how do I show you that? Okay, so let me explain that. On your Chromebook, you're going to take a screenshot of your game. Okay, now let me get this figured out here. In order to take a screenshot, those of you that do not know, there's 2 buttons you have to press. You're going to hit the control button down here, and this button in the middle with the square and the 3 lines. If you hit both of those buttons at the same time, it will take a screenshot of your screen. So if you can see my screen over here, it says screenshot taken, and it stores it in your download folder. Once it's in your download folder, you can go to the assignment for today and upload that picture to the assignment, and I can see that you have completed all 10 levels and give you credit for that. That Shape Tracer game is what you need to finish over today and tomorrow for robotics. Thanks guys, have a great day, have fun coding.